perfect example of working together. Đấy, ok. Thế nên anh ra đến năm buổi mà đây siêu năm buổi năm buổi đi phong tập lagi pada sebab mà. Okay, I like to welcome all that has come all the way from other parts of like not from Shillong. Okay, we are very excited to have you here in our full city. And to all our trainers, nga lang naman sige pada nang nila. To all our trainers, we are very excited. Lalo kami i-poster na isar VMCM na mahangod. Kada mo ya kasi mo jang VMCM rakti anai PM barak leaders can dream ka jang niya po prestige ka day bagin long you will become a VMCM member. Ini kata kada ka thong ka jogi. Ya kiyon din nang sunod ho mo. Okay, kasum ni ka ne banyo ulam ka ba he, no? Kasum ni ka ne Kae ladangin tray kasuk ladangin tray. Ini kalau tadi, kalau VMCM members kan IPM, ini di leaders, top leaders जो कबस्टिज के रहा करना की, top leaders अगर कबस्टिज हमको का रीजन की बराबर The VMCM members kan IP, ini leaders, the networkers kan IP को अपने management को, ini networkers की बात तुलम बजाऊंगी, कथाम या कशिपौ लक्ष्य बनाए. People are every religion. They had anggota yang negeri itu aku tiba apa bahasa negara kejogitan. Oke, tetap kau yang tak pernah IPM. Skopha tak mendatang apa lagi di dalam negeri. Jadi khususnya yang people sendiri yang kebabilan negeri dan hal ini nama ilah dalam maximum lagi trainers kejogi borok. Oke, dengan IPM saja kita. Sir, I like to pass it to you, sir. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah, the Josh, the energy, what is Shillong known for is missing somewhere. Good morning. Good morning. Wonderful. So, guys, today we are here for celebrating youth empowerment. Youth, the future of a country, the future of a society. And we are all together here. So how many of you are youth here? Raise your hands. How many of you? Wonderful. I would like to say youth is not determined by the age, but it is determined by your mentality. How you feel yourself. Yes or no? Yes. The founder of KFC was a youth at the age of 56. Colonel Sanders, at the age of 56 he started the company and built such a big empire. So youth is just a mentality, not your age. Age is just number. So guys, it's a proud moment for all of us that we are celebrating this event here. And I am especially honored that today we are going to honor few of our guests who are out of the world, who are examples for the society, who have brought revolution in people's mind and in their life. So guys, are you all ready for that? Yes! So it's a custom of the speech that whenever we start any event, we start with a vestige applause. How many of you know the vestige applause? Raise your hand. Wonderful, wonderful. Many of you know it. You know? 4-2, 4-2, 4-2 and last yo. So can you all get up on your seat? Stand, please. Put all your belongings on the chair. Make your hands free. Make your hands free. Everyone free? Yes. So ready for the applause? Yes. So on the count of 4. We'll start. As soon as I count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll start the applause. Ready? Yes! 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful! Wonderful! Thank you very much, guys. Thank you! You know, Shillong is one of the few locations where I don't feel I have to repeat the applause. Because you are the perfect with the very first time. Wonderful. So guys, today here we are to celebrate youth empowerment, and today we have got very eminent guests with us, speakers and presenters. So before we start, I would love to introduce them to all of you. Would you like to see them? Yes! So how will you welcome them? With big applause? So show us an example. How will you clap for them? And hoot for them? Just show us the noise. So I will request our first guest and honor to come on the stage. I request Mr. Abdul Sabir, VMCM and Double Universal Crown Actor, to come on the stage. Mr. Abdul Sabir. Then I will call on the stage Mr. Shivam Goswami, VMCM and call on the stage Mr. Harshal Trivedi, Harshal Deshankar Trivedi, Double Mr. Tarun Kamaria. And finally, one of the youngest and someone from Gujarat, Lord is Mr. Lal Musanga.
To be successful in West Street, we have to follow the leader, right? I'm going to do an activity, whatever I'm doing, you have to follow me. So are you ready? Yes! Promise? Yes! Okay, so let's cheer up. Music!
Iya, sahur kali ini.
Thank you very much, leaders. You can take your seats, please. So guys, now it's time to call up on the stage the person whose vision, whose dynamic personality has made this event possible. Guys, there was a thought in someone's mind that youth are the future, and he made it real. One of the most dynamic among our management, one of the person who is a mentor to millions, and I know many of you have already met him in Women Empowerment. Do you remember? Yes! Who is he? Sir Deepak Sood. I'd like to call him to say Sir Deepak Sood.
Please take a seat. Thank you so much. So, good morning, Shillong. In the last 3 months, this is the second trip I'm just making to Shillong. Thank you for inviting me again here itself. So, I just wanted to ask you a few things first of all. Are you guys excited to meet all the young icons today? Yes! Alright. So, almost 2 months back, we did a women empowerment program over there, and I can see a lot of women are over there, and they are enriching. They become a entrepreneurship. And Shillong, let me tell you one thing. Shillong is the only city where maximum youth have become entrepreneur investees. So I can see all the youth over there, right? And today we have around 5 youth icons also over there, and they're just going to talk about themselves. But before that, I want to give you a small little presentation about Vestige and what is youth basically, right? What is the definition of a youth? So I want to ask you one thing. Everybody can understand English? Yes or no? Yes. People can understand Hindi also. Hindi. Raise your hand. A little bit. किसको हिंदी आता है? Or a lot of people knows Hindi also. Perfect. Thank you so very much. Because the icons will be coming over there. They will be speaking English and a little bit of a Hindi also. Okay? So, are you guys ready for this event? Yes. Ready for this event? Yes. Absolutely. My colleague absolutely rightly said. So, whenever I go anywhere, so I ask one simple question, and I really want to ask the same question to you. Who are you? Can you describe yourself? Anybody can stand up and say, who are you? Who are you? You are the future of. Future of who? You yourself, your future, or whose future? Your future. So I am the future of myself, right? Anybody? Anybody else? Who are you guys? Anybody wanted to talk about? Anybody want to give the answer of this question? So whenever I go anywhere, I ask all the youth, who are you? And I describe who are you. You are the future of Vestige. You are the future of India. You are the future of the world also now. You will not believe India is a young country. 66% of the population is the under age of 35. 66%. And India is such a young country that all across the world, people want to come over there. People want to hire. People want to love to talk to you. Is that because automatically India is a and that's the most important thing. And today we are going to talk about a young, right? How many of you are still on a 2-wheeler?